Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1933 Plymouth Sedan. Now tell me this thing isn't beautiful. Actually don't, because I don't want to hear you lie. If you haven't already, go and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Click that little bell icon so you turn on those notifications. That way you'll get updated every time we do a video and you won't miss out on the car of your dreams. Navy veteran, good man. Now, the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is to virtually put you in the driver's seat, no matter where you are in this world, so you get a sense of how this travels and cruises down the road. For all additional information, when we're done here, I want you to go on over to volocars.com. There we have a couple hundred pictures, undercarriage, inside, outside, the selling price, all the information we have it in a detailed write-up, and we want to pass that on to you, so when you give us a call to make a purchase of a car or truck, you have all the knowledge you need and all the confidence in the world. Everything goes a lot smoother that way. Door opens nice. This interior, really comfortable. Just super maintained. Let me make sure I shut that all the way. There you go. Has the seat belt for you. There we go. And like I said, inside is gorgeous. I'm not seeing any damage, any wear and tear on any of it. I mean, it still has the new leather smell in here. You have all your gauges. You got your fake makeshift Tommy gun, street sweeper, which I don't know, in today's world, I'm not sure I'd be driving around with it, but depends on where you live. All right, that being said, let's start it up. So you have your key over there for Mr. Tommy gun, your battery cutoff right there. I'm in neutral. Did I not turn this on all the way? Oh, didn't turn it on all the way. Starts right up when you actually do it right. So that's all it is to it. You just turn the key on all the way. That lets the fuel start going through. Your battery cut off. You're good to go. And this is the first time myself or anyone has a chance to take this down the road, so we're experiencing everything firsthand together. If we run into any hiccups when we get it back in the shop, we'll go ahead and take care of it. Here, let me move my little sound thing. There you go. There is one other thing. The window, it does have where you loosen it, get that front vent going through, real nice on on the hot days. So without further ado, let's go for a ride. Up here you do have your fuel gauge, your battery, your speedometer, your engine temp, and your oil pressure. Nice rear view mirror. Side mirrors look good too. It even has some turn indicators for you. I say we've had some nice 1930s cars come through that weren't hot rodded out, but this one is phenomenal. Usually there's a whole process to starting it up where it's a bunch of steps, but this one, like I said, turn the key, make sure the battery cutoff is on, stomp down on the ignition, and you got it. Just a super, just incredibly looking, easy to drive right now. I mean, but go straight down the road, barely any play in the wheel at all. If you've had the chance to drive quite a few of these, it's these little things that really stick out to you. Look how solid that was going over there. I didn't hear any rattles at all. Oh, this is just... This car surprised me when I first got here by looking at it, and now getting a chance to actually drive it around, it's incredible. Does the horn work? Oh, I'm not seeing the horn there. Getting to drive this thing around is just like a blast from the past. And good news, I passed law enforcement with this in the car. I didn't get stopped, so that's kind of good. Chalk that up as a win. It's not too difficult to steer or anything either. Once again, this isn't going to be a race car by any means, but this thing can still cruise. So if you need to get around town, you have that 45, 55 speed limit, I believe this will be just fine. This isn't the smoothest of roads, and it's just cruising right along perfectly. I'm not jumping all over the place. I really enjoy this car. I really, really do. You can tell whoever owned this, one, they were brilliant. They were in the Navy. Come on. Gotta love the Navy. And then two, they just really took great care of this. Overall, I love this car. This car is so awesome. Just from the presentation, the interior, the drivability of it. I mean, the detail is phenomenal. I absolutely love this. I hope you do as well. Like I said, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to go hit up volocars.com, check out the write-up and everything, and then give our sales department a call, come out and test drive this piece. As always, appreciate you.